Hello there. A wine I have here in my hands is one that I get really excited over. This is from Spain. The region is called Ribera del Duero, which is slap dab center in the middle of Spain. The wine is called Pago de las Capellanes, is the producer, and they produce some stunningly wonderful wines that I would almost call bordering on iconic status. This is the Tinto Crianza, or the Joven wine, which is their baby wine, their entry-level wine. But don't let that put you off thinking that it's inferior, because it's anything but. It's a blend primarily of 80% Cabernet Sauvignon, 10% Merlot, and 10% Tempranillo. It's a region actually that allows the use of other varietals outside of Spain to be used in the production of their wines, hence the French noble varietals. The nose is quite elegant. It's restrained. There's a lovely element of black currants, plums, and rich forest fruit aromas coming through, with a nice harmonious element of vanillin, which comes from the time that is spent on French oak, approximately 12 months. The flavor profile is well integrated tannins, refreshing acidity, lots of fruit abounding all around the palate. Again, very curranty, brambly, almost kind of forest floor, and it works really well either on its own, but I recommend it definitely with grilled meats, roast meat, and game, and it would work well with mature cheeses to boot. You must try. Great wine. Thanks.